Junior Secondary County Kwale podo medo sundo piny owacho mondo migi teko mar tiyo kendgi ma ok onywandgi e telo mag jopuonj mag primary. Jopuonj mane riwruok mag Opet koni nitie midhiero mathoth mosebedo ka kwako somo mag Junior Secondary higni 3 ma gisebedo ka gitiyo kanyakla kod telo mar primary. Kendo podo ko winj ywakgi to jopuonjre ok biyudo kit somo mowinjore otim. Bende gikoni pogogi e kidieny ma Jopuonj JSS kende biro loso laye ma gidhi godo ma bende giidho godo e ngas mag tich.
President William Ruto, last year when we were having the NEC examiners marking exercise at State House Girls, you promised us that you will grant the junior school teachers autonomy. We are appealing to you. If you want the Kenyan child to benefit, kindly grant the junior school teachers autonomy.
Hawa walimu wetu wa JSS hawapigani na serikali, hawapigani na mtu yoyote. Wanasema wanataka uhuru wa kuendeleza shughuli zao katika hizi shule zetu. Kama shule ni JSS, wacha ibaki kuwa junior school.
Kwa sababu CBE inataka practicals nyingi sana na vitu ambavyo viko real, na tukilalamika tununuliwe, tunaambiwa hakuna pesa. Hizi pesa ambazo zinaletwa kwa ajili ya matumizi ya JS zinapelekwa wapi?
Ili tukuwe na uwezo wa kufika Singapore, lazima tuangalie masomo yetu kwa makini sana. Mtoto wa Kenya akona haki kama mtoto wa Singapore. Hatuwezi enda Singapore na watu wazima, tuende Singapore na wanafunzi wetu wa Kenya.
Whenever they try to propose on anything, it seems like they are fighting the administration. Whereas they're not fighting the administration, they're just going by the guidelines that the TSC requires for you